trees.
Beyond the mist,
A castle waits above the world.
a dream in stone.
A story still alive. Every step reveals new signs,
Mountain air on my skin,
and the old world drawing in.
far below the valley sleep.
Ancient secrets they still keep.
Every stone and every tree
Guards a piece of history.
listen close,
Can you hear
echoes carried by the years.
the king
Who dreamed beyond his time.
Neuschwanstein,
Castle of dreams,
standing between legends and reality. Neuschwanstein,
above the clouds,
a vision that still inspires the world.
Ludwig walked here,
Ludwig dreamed here,
a kingdom of beauty,
a kingdom of wonder.
and the dream remains.
Towers rising from the stone,
Built for dreams and dreams alone,
not for war and not for fame.
but for beauty's endless flame.
Visitors from far away,
Follow history every day.
searching for the stories told.
In these walls of white and gold, higher now the castle stands.
Watching over forests and lands,
Every traveler feels the call. Through the forest we ascend,
to the castle at the end.
history comes alive today.
Following the king's old way. Neuschwanstein,
Castle of dreams,
standing between legends and reality. Neuschwanstein,
above the clouds,
a vision that still inspires the
the journey ends.
The memory stays,
The castle remains.
the story